Mexico is a nation in southern North America, formerly known as the United Mexican States, ABI. It is the 13th largest country in the world in terms of area, covering 1,972,550 kilometers, 761,610 sq mi. Mexico is a federal constitutional republic made up of 31 states, plus the nation's capital, Mexico City. In addition to maritime boundaries with the Pacific Ocean to the west, the Caribbean Sea to the southeast, and the Gulf of Mexico to the east, it shares land borders with the United States to the north, Guatemala, and Belize to the southeast. After defeating the Aztec Empire in 1521 with the help of native allies, the Spanish Empire founded the colony of New Spain in Tenochtitlan, the former capital, now Mexico City. Spanish colonization imposed Christianity, propagated the Spanish language, and took advantage of abundant silver reserves in Guanajuato and Zacatecas during the course of the following 3 centuries. 15. The Mexican War of Independence brought an end to the colonial era at the beginning of the 19th century. During the Mexican-American War, the United States incursion led to considerable territorial losses in 1848. The 1857 Constitution's liberal reforms sparked internal strife, leading to French involvement and the creation of an empire, which were resisted by Benito Juárez's Republican struggle. The dictatorship of Porfirio Diaz emerged in the late 19th century, which set off the Mexican Revolution in 1910 and resulted in significant reforms, including the 1917 Constitution. The country was thereafter ruled by a series of presidents, many of whom had served as generals in the armed forces until 1929, when the Institutional Revolutionary Party, PRI, was established. Neoliberal policies became prevalent in the late 20th century, as demonstrated by the 1994 signing of the North American Free Trade Agreement amid social instability and indigenous resistance in Chiapas. Mexico's economy, which ranks 15th in the world by nominal GDP and 11th by PPP, is primarily reliant on trade with the United States. It is a recently industrialized and developing nation that ranks 86th in the Human Development Index. Since 2006, this drug war has resulted in more than 120,000 deaths. The United Nations, the Group of 20, the World Trade Organization, WTO, the Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation Forum, the Organization of American States, the Community of Latin American and Caribbean States,